Sound is amazing. We hear it every day. It's how we communicate, enjoy music, and experience the world around us. Think about your favorite song. How does that music reach your ears? Speakers are the incredible devices that make this possible. They take electrical signals and transform them into the sounds we hear, bringing our favorite tunes to life. Have you ever wondered how a speaker turns something invisible like electricity into the sounds we hear? It's like magic, but the secret lies in science. Speakers use a clever combination of electricity and magnetism. Imagine a coil of wire, like a tiny spring, carrying that electrical signal. This coil sits near a magnet. When electricity flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field. Now, remember, magnets can attract and repel each other. This magnetic field interacts with the permanent magnet, making the coil move back and forth rapidly. This movement is the key to creating sound. Let's take a closer look at the key players inside a speaker. First, we have the voice coil, that little coil of wire we talked about. It's like the heart of the speaker, receiving the electrical signal. Attached to the voice coil is the diaphragm, often called the cone. It's usually made of paper, plastic, or sometimes even metal. The diaphragm is responsible for pushing and pulling the air, creating those sound waves that travel to our ears. And of course, we can't forget the magnet. It's the other half of the magical duo, interacting with the voice coil's magnetic field to make the diaphragm vibrate. All these components are held together by a sturdy frame called the basket. A symphony of speakers. Types and enclosures. Just like instruments in an orchestra, speakers come in different types, each with its own specialty. Each type of speaker is designed to handle a specific range of frequencies, ensuring that every note and sound is reproduced accurately. Woofers are the big guys, designed to handle those low, booming bass frequencies that make you feel the music. They are essential for genres like hip-hop and electronic music, where bass is a key element. On the other end of the spectrum, we have tweeters, the small but mighty speakers responsible for the high-pitched sounds like cymbal crashes and bird chirps. These speakers are crucial for adding detail and clarity to the music, making sure you hear every high note. In the middle, we have mid-range speakers, handling the frequencies in between, like vocals and guitars. These speakers are the workhorses of the audio world, providing the bulk of the sound in most music tracks. Now, you'll often find these different types of speakers working together inside a speaker enclosure, also known as a speaker box. This setup allows each type of speaker to focus on its specific range of frequencies, creating a more balanced and rich sound. Think of the enclosure as a carefully designed cabinet that helps optimize the sound. The design of the enclosure can significantly impact the quality of the audio, enhancing the performance of the speakers inside. It prevents sound waves from interfering with each other and ensures that the different frequencies blend together harmoniously. This harmonious blend is what gives you that immersive listening experience, making you feel like you're right there in the middle of the music. Bose, a legacy of audio innovation. When it comes to high-quality audio, one name stands out: Bose. Founded in 1964 by Dr. Amar Bose, the company has consistently set the standard for audio excellence. For decades, Bose has been a pioneer in the audio industry, pushing the boundaries of sound reproduction. From the early days of the 901 direct reflecting speaker system to the latest noise-canceling headphones, Bose has always been at the forefront of innovation. They are known for their relentless pursuit of innovation, always striving to create immersive audio experiences that bring listeners closer to the music. Their research-driven approach has led to groundbreaking technologies that have transformed the way we experience sound. Bose speakers are renowned for their exceptional clarity, deep bass, and wide soundstage, making you feel like you're right there in the recording studio or concert hall. Whether it's the quiet nuances of a classical piece or the powerful beats of a rock concert, Bose captures it all. From their iconic home theater systems to their portable Bluetooth speakers, Bose products are designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, providing high-quality sound wherever you go. Bose products are engineered with precision and a deep understanding of acoustics. Their team of engineers and designers work tirelessly to perfect every detail, ensuring that each product delivers the best possible audio experience. They are dedicated to delivering sound that is not just heard but felt, elevating the emotional impact of music and movies. With Bose, every note, every beat, and every word comes to life, creating moments that resonate deeply with listeners. The power of sound. Enhancing our lives. Sound is more than just something we hear. It's a powerful force that shapes our emotions, connects us to others, and enriches our lives. It has the ability to transcend language barriers, bringing people together from different cultures and backgrounds. High-quality speakers, like those crafted by Bose, unlock the full potential of sound, allowing us to experience music and entertainment in a whole new way. These speakers are designed with precision and care, ensuring that every note, every beat, and every melody is delivered with crystal-clear clarity. They transport us to different worlds, evoke powerful memories, and create moments of pure joy. Music has the unique ability to take us back in time, reminding us of special moments and cherished memories. Whether it's the thrill of a live concert, where the energy of the crowd and the performance create an unforgettable experience, the emotional depth of a movie soundtrack, which can move us to tears or make our hearts race with excitement, or the simple pleasure of listening to our favorite songs, which can lift our spirits and brighten our day. Good speakers have the power to transform our everyday experiences. They make every moment more vivid, more immersive, and more enjoyable. So the next time you hear your favorite tune, take a moment to appreciate the science and artistry behind those incredible sound waves. Consider the journey of sound from the artist's creation to your ears. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our eternal fascination with the power of sound. The dedication and innovation that go into creating these experiences are truly remarkable. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button.